Okay, our next person I'm reviewing is Catrice Boyd. And right off the bat, again, the banner, we focus on all the stuff in the master class, but the banner is your first opportunity to show off. And my problem with North Carolina Central University as a banner is one, it's so big, it's detracting from this gorgeous profile photo. But the other issue is that that's not her company. They don't need your advertisement, right? And so, what I would rather that you do, Catrice, if I'm going to talk directly to her, what I'd rather she do is to on her website, it's very clean. And if she even if she doesn't yet know what to do, I would change the banner to simply be something that more reflects her own website. In addition, while I'm looking at this, um, you go back down, her experience can be rearranged so that her businesses are at the top. This is where we make the decision as to what exactly we're using LinkedIn for. But it looks like she's got her side business and she's also working for North Carolina NC Central. And so NC, she's not looking for a job at this point or anything. So what I would do is literally put you at the top, make sure your businesses are in order at the top. And make sure that it's done here because this I don't see anything about the coaching that you do that's listed on the thing. This photo is great. It's very approachable. It feels really good. I would want to work with her, right? Just because I feel like, oh my God, this feels like someone is doing it. So I think it's a very legitimate, it's a good picture. She also is a great starting thing in her about. I'm a business growth strategist. The problem is it doesn't give enough information. What I might add is a small story. We don't necessarily, I love the motto, everything is figure outable. We don't necessarily need a super long thing in the about section, but a little bit more information would be helpful, especially with everything else that she's going on her profile. Okay, so a great big thank you to Catrice for letting me review their profile. If you would like a quick review of your own profile, let me know in the comments and I'll tag you if and when I am able to do it. Thank you.